Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. It's a morning time, about 8 o'clock. Everything is look like yellow. The sun has already risen, and so the temperature is also increasing. So this video I am know about your journey, also about your speaking level, and how do you practice English, everything. So the people who watch my video, most of the people wants to learn English and try to speak in English better than me. But how do you practice? Really, do you practice regularly? Do you believe yourself you can speak English one day? This is also one of the reasons. Or if you like to practice with foreigners, do you have also confidence also? This is also one of the reasons. So all things in your mind or in your body, in your whole things, it's available. The most important things, do you really practice regularly? This is my questions for you. Otherwise it's very difficult to learn this language. You have to practice regularly. I think you practice regularly every of yours. And I also told which platform should you practice. Every video I have already uploaded on my YouTube channel, also Facebook page. You can just search on my YouTube channel and you get this feature. This is a modern world. If you really want to learn anything without giving money, without any cost, you can absolutely learn this. Just you need your Wi-Fi connection and mobile phone. If you fail to learn this language, it's absolutely bad for us, also bad for me, because you follow me but you can't speak English properly. Because I have given a lot of guidance to every followers, every my audience, and I also talk in Bangla and also English. But if you already fail, it is very unfortunate for me, because I told you but you didn't take my words, take my suggestion properly, because it's your mistake. End of the day, I hope you are not doing that. You practice regularly, of course, practice regularly, and one day you will get result. Just practice 3 to 6 months to learn a language, especially a better way. At least 3 months is needed, at least. And if you want to express your every thoughts properly, like beginner level, you have to need at least 6 months to learn a new language. As a student, it is familiar to us to know the English words, English structures, English speaking, because we study English from our childhood. But if you think about the past time, it is absolutely wrong. It is absolutely hard. It takes time. But in case of English, you are a student, you do not need too much time. You have to just practice, know the things and know the structures, and you will get your result one day. So practice is important. So I want to tell, do you really practice English regularly? This is my questions. If you do, of course, how? Or if you don't know, of course, why? Comment on my comment box. I'm ready to read your comment, because next video will be talk about, or will be give you the solution how to start and how to continue it, how to develop your speaking if you practice, or if you don't practice, how to start you. If you about yourself, I will give some more suggestion, tips or tricks also. There is no tricks and tips also, but people says that, because to learn any skills there is no shortcut, there is no miracle, there is no any overnight. You have to take time, you have to do practice every day, and gradually you will get development. This is my point of my video. Of course, comment the comment box, I'm ready. So by the way, I hope you practice regularly. To practice, inshallah, one day we'll talk together. Assalamu alaikum.